And I think we have acted in good faith. I think the European Commission has acted in good faith. And a good faith response is required from the United Kingdom government. And in my view, it would be irresponsible, it would be unwise, and it would be reckless to invoke Article 16 as a response to the proposals from the European Commission. And I think if such an act was to be taken by the British government, I think it would have far-reaching implications for the relationship between the United Kingdom and the European Union. I think it also would have implications for the relationship between the United Kingdom government and the Irish government, because such an action would not be in accordance with the spirit of partnership that has informed the peace process from the get-go, and that has informed the creation of the entire architecture that underpins the Good Friday Agreement.